After understanding second question, next question is problem number 3. In this problem, what they given? Pentafor Limited. Means Pentafor Limited is an American-based company. Has currently all equity shares consisting of 15,000 equities. 15,000 equity shares rupees 100 each. 15,000 equity shares rupees 100 each. They given the question means 15 lakh. And management has planning to raise another 25 lakhs. See, apart from 50 lakhs, the management, the company management want to raise another rupees 25 lakh to finance the major program expansion. I mean, they want to expand their business activities. They required another 25 lakh. And how to raise 25 lakh? 15 lakh is common, 50,000 each. So that's old equity share capital. And another 25 lakh. How to raise the funds 25 lakh? They given 3 points. Again, 3 alternative here. Number 1, what they given? Issue 25,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. Means 25,000 to 100, 25 lakh. See, first point is our 25 lakh. Second alternative given to issue 25,000, 8% debenture of rupees 100 each. Means they have to pay 8% interest to the debenture holders. 25,000 so 25 lakh debentures. Next is they to issue 25,000, 8% preference of rupees 100 each. Again, they have to pay 8% preference to the preference holders. Again, 25,000, 25 lakh. So look at number of equity shares. See, first you have to do this. This is second point I will explain. First, second point I will explain. Calculation of, but in the examination, you do first this point and later you do that. Calculation of number of equity shares. Number of equity shares. I didn't know. Second I don't know. Last problem. I am doing first number of equity shares. So particulars. Here also plan 1, plan 2, motto, plan 3. 3 points given, no? 3 points given, 1, 2, 3, 25 lakhs they raised given, 1, 2, 3 points that. See here. First you have to take old equity. Old equity share capital. They given here, company, Pentagon company currently equity share consisting of 15,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. They given. So 15 lakhs. This is common, old is common for all 3 points, 3 plans. 15 lakhs is given. Okay. And the management has planned to expand business program. Means they want to expand the business. And company want to raise another 25 lakhs, rupees 25 lakh. How to write 25 lakhs? They given first point, second point, third point, they given first point. What they given? Issue 25,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. See, new equity share capital. New equity share capital. How to raise? Come issue 25,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. Which point this is? Which point they given? First point. How much lakh? 25 lakh. Second dash, third dash. Because they given first point, I wrote in first point. This is first point, if you want first point. And second point, what they given? Here they given to issue 25,000, 8% debentures. 28% debentures. Second point, they given 8% debentures. 25,000, 8% debentures of rupees. How much is one share value? 100 each one here. So debenture value 100. 25 to 100. 25,000. Where? Second point, 25 lakh. 25,000. 25 lakh. Because they given second point, no? Second point I wrote in second column. Then third, what they given? Third point you see. Third plan. What they given? To issue 25,000, 8% preference shares of rupees 100 is again 8% preference shares. 25,000, 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each. Again 25,000 to 100. First dash, second dash, third. I wrote third point. See, 25 dash, third. Here also third. There also third in question. That's all. So total shares. See, equity add, I told you last problem. Equity hold how much? 15 lakh plus new equity 25, 15 plus 20, 20, 30, 40 lakh. First point. Second alternative, equity share capital. How much equity? 15 lakh. Any equity is there? No. Only 15 lakh. Third point, see, equity share how much? 15 lakh. In equity, no, only 15 lakh. So, number of equity shares equals this 40 lakh divided by one share value. How much they are given? 100 each, rupees 100. 15 lakh rupees 100. Here also 15 lakh divided by 100. 120 to get cancelled, so 40,000 shares. This is 15,000 shares. This is also 15,000 shares. This is called number of equity shares. You better to write here down, and first you have to show only calculation of EPS in the examination. But I am showing ulta. Last part done like this you have to do. Okay. After understanding this number of equity shares, we got number of equity shares. Now first point now calculation of EPS. Calculation of EPS. Okay. Calculation of earning per share. Particulars. First plan, second plan, third plan. First you have to take EBIT. They given EBIT, present EBIT of rupees 8 lakh. How much given? 8 lakh is given. 8 lakh you have to take. Less interest. I means interest on debentures. See table here. I don't know debentures here. I rubbed here. They given second alternative 8% debentures 25 lakh. They given here 8% already there in question here. 25 lakh into 8%. 8 divided 100. So 2 lakh maybe. How much? 2 lakh interest. Which alternative? Second alternative they given. They given second here. Second they given already there. Calculate number of equations here you see. Now you have to deduct. So 8 lakh. Here 6 lakh. Here 8 lakh. My handwriting going in a zigzag way. Okay, no problem. This is called EBIT, earning after EBIT, earning before tax. EBIT, earning before tax. Then less tax. Next tax. At the rate of what tax rate they given here in this question? 50%. They given 50%. 8 lakh of half. How much? 50%. 4 lakh. 6 lakh half. 3 lakh. Here are 4 lakh. 50% means half. Deduct 4 lakh, here 3 lakh, here 4 lakh. Then less preference dividend, less preference dividend. See here the third alternative. You see number of equities table, last table. I wrote here still is the third point. See I wrote third here. 8% preferential capital, 25 to 100 is which alternative? Which point? Third point. You write less preferential capital. Preferential capital. How much preferential capital? 25 lakh. 25 lakh into 8 divided 100 dash dash third point only. Third point only. See third point, third column. Here third point they given. Deduct. This is 4 lakh. This is 3 lakh. This is 2 lakh. This one and this. This is called earnings available. Earnings available to equity shareholders. Right, full sentence. Earnings available to equity shareholders. Now apply equation. EPS equals earnings available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. Earning available to equity shareholders 4 lakh. This is 3 lakh. This is 2 lakh. Divided by number of equity shares. Already done here. First table that 40,000. Second one is 15,000. Third one is 15,000. So EPS equals. So rupees. How much? 10 or 100? This divided is 10 rupees. Rupees 10. Rupees 20. Rupees 13.33 rupees 13.33. This is called the calculation of EPS if EBIT is given 8 lakh rupees. I explain clearly with clear working. Still have to do lot of problems. Okay. Now you compare these three alternatives, three financial plan for capital structure. Which alternative is good? Which is more? Second alternative is considered the best alternative because its EPS is more than that of other two alternatives. So second alternative rupees 20 should be selected for financing. Okay. So this is the third problem. Okay. See. पूछो